Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new first impression. So today I'm going to be testing out another really interesting supermarket find, but this time it is from Lidl. So it is the Silvercrest Face Mask Maker. First of all, I'm actually going to tell you a little bit about this and what it does. And then we will get right into the demo and making some face masks. First of all, starting off with price, this retails for $34.99, which is not bad considering this has a 3-year warranty and the fact that you can make sort of endless face masks from it. When I picked this up, this was available as of Thursday just gone. When this video goes up, it will be Saturday, and when I actually picked this up from the shop, there was about 4 available within the store. But I know personally where I live there is quite a few Lidls about, so hopefully you'll be able to find it in your nearest store really easily. So inside you get your face mask maker. This is a little bit heavy, but it looks quite nice and compact. You've got your on-off button here. There's a lid, and I guess that's where you put your face mask in. And then this is definitely where you pour your face mask into to create your mask. You also get a little measuring jug to measure out your ingredients. And then there's also a brush in here as well, a tiny brush to clean everything. And then you get your collagen tablets. So you get 24 collagen tablets, but I'm not sure with regards to after that. I will let you know, I will read the leaflet. Then we have your plug. And last but not least, you get your instruction leaflet, which I guess has the warranty in as well. Yes, it does. It says about the warranty here. So I'm actually just going to read to you what it says on the side of the box. So it says, for perfectly cared for skin, DIY well-being masks made from fruit, vegetable juice, milk and yogurt. It includes 24 collagen tablets, and it automatically detects the feel level, and it has a measuring cup, mask mold and cleaning brush, and it also says it has an output of 110 watts. I'm just going to see what it says in the leaflet. So it says, before first use, clean the appliance as described in the section cleaning to remove any transport dust. Dry it thoroughly, and then it says place the appliance on a stable and level surface. Using the appliance, always use distilled water for making face masks, and then it just tells you how to plug it in. Right, so I've cleaned out the mask unit or maker as per the instructions. I have actually laid everything on this tray as well, just because it's nice and flat, and also it's contained in case any mask spills anywhere. And then I've got a towel underneath that. And as per the instructions, it says to lay the mask template underneath the mask maker. There's actually this slot where it sort of just fits into, and also this template has rubber grips so it stays nice and firm on the tray. And then once the mask is done, there's actually a hole here where it pours out into the template. The one thing that I just wanted to add, because I was reading the instructions, is it says in the booklet it gives you tips for making a face mask. So it says if you want a moisturizing face mask, it tells you a few ingredients you can add, and also if you want an anti-wrinkle one, it again tells you a couple of ingredients that you can add. For mine, I'm just going to test it out with some smoothie. It's a berry smoothie that I got from Waitrose. I am going to dilute this a bit because it does suggest if it's thick to dilute it, and then once I've made this one, we'll see how this goes. and I'll probably experiment with a couple of different things and let you know on the blog post that will go with this. And then the other thing, what I mentioned at the start of the video, was that you will need some distilled water. Now you can order distilled water off Amazon, but you can actually get it. It is the Smart Water. This is distilled. So I'm just going to turn this on, and it says when I turn it on, a beep sounds, and then the indicator lamp lights up green, then it flashes green continuously. So let's go ahead and do that. Right, so you can see the light is flashing now. So next it says to open the filler opening cap. Then it says you will need approximately 60 mils of distilled water. So I'm just going to pour that into my measuring jug. Slowly pour distilled water into the appliance through the filler opening. When the required amount, approximately 60 mils, is reached, a beep sounds and the indicator lamp flashes red. So now that it's flashing red, it says to add the liquid such as fruit juice or milk. When the required amount, approximately 25 mils, is reached, a beep sounds again and the indicator lamp illuminates continuously red. So I have just added 20 mils of smoothie or juice, and then I've filled up the rest, so the 5 mils, with water. Lastly, it says to place a collagen tablet in the appliance through the filler opening. Close the filler opening by placing the filling cap, and then the locking devices in the filler opening have to slide into the cutouts at the filler opening cap. Finally, turn the filler opening cap clockwise a little way so that it's firmly closed, which I think I did. Finally, it says press the start button and a beep sounds and the indicator lamp illuminates continuously green. Then the appliance starts to blend and heat the ingredients. Now after the mask is done, it also advises you to slightly tilt the mask mould in order to ensure ideal distribution of the liquid. So to me, this actually doesn't look like there's enough in the mold, but I'm sure it will be fine. It kind of came out really abruptly as well. So the next step now is to allow it to set. And it says if you want to make a refreshing face mask, place the mask mold carefully into the fridge and wait for it to cool. And then it says if you want to make a warm face mask, wait for around 5 minutes until the mask has set. I think what I'm going to do is actually pop this in the fridge. Right guys, so I've just pulled this out the fridge and it's nice and cool now. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. It says in the booklet to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I think I'm going to leave it on for 15. So now that I've taken the mask off, I would say my skin looks a little bit glowy, but it also feels a bit dry at the same time. It was really nice and cooling, so I do recommend popping it in the fridge. But like I said before, I'm going to play around with this mask maker and test out different ingredients, because obviously it's not really about the machine, it's more about the face mask and what it can do for your skin. One more thing actually as well, this mask was pretty thick in the end and it was quite heavy, so if you're doing this at home, I do recommend lying down when you put the face mask on. I just wanted to show you it sat up, and actually I would probably cut it in half, so you had 2 pieces, so you could do the bottom piece and then the top piece, because I was sort of struggling to hold it all together, and it is pretty delicate as well. So I'm not going to score this out of 5 now, but I do think this is pretty good value for money, considering you get a 3-year warranty and the fact that you can use it lots of times. Also, I just want to add about the collagen tablets. It does say in here that you can reorder them, so that's good to know as well. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter for more inspiration. And if you did miss my last video, you can go ahead and click on the picture link in the middle, and that will take you to that video. Have a wonderful rest of the weekend, guys, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, bye.